Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change Xiaomi account on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Xiaomi account. Now from here, just tap on account security. Now from here, tap on third-party accounts. Now from here, tap on Google and tap on disconnect. Now from here, tap on send. Now you will receive a verification code within a minute on your Google account. Now as you can see, we have received our verification code. Just enter the verification code. Now from here, tap on submit. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, tap on sign out. Now once you have done that, just tap on I have read and agreed to the Xiaomi account. Now from here, tap on sign in with Google. Now from here, tap on connect to another account. Now from here, just enter the email, phone number or the Xiaomi account number of the account you want to enter. Just like that. Now as you can see, I have entered the Xiaomi account number of the account I want to log in with. Now once you have done that, just tap on sign in. Now from here, tap on save. Now as you can see, this is how you can change Xiaomi account on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.